Okay, well, here's a mini bike update. I got this welded together pretty good. Put a piece of flat steel on there. I know I am like the world's worst welder, but I mean it's not going to go anywhere. Using a stick welder over here, and yeah, as you can see, I'm terrible at welding with this thing, but at least I got it so it's not going to go anywhere. And at least I did a better job than these people did over here, which I kind of went over and re-welded, which it also looks terrible, but I think it'll hold. I'm about to put the rear wheel on. It looks like these right here used to be welded right onto here at one point, and they kind of came off, so I'm going to see if I need to get those back on there. Probably do. And I just finished putting the new wheel bearings in here, so that's all set. And hopefully this thing here is going to be long enough. 8 inches, I hope it's going to be long enough. If not, I'll have to go get a longer one. And this engine is almost put back together. See, I JB welded that, so should hold the flywheel on. Should stay in there so I can get the flywheel on. I don't have any bolts for this carburetor yet, so I probably won't be able to get it running today unless I go out and get some. And chain is in here soaking in some oil. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the back wheel on, see how that's gonna line up, and we'll come right back. Okay, I got these welded on. That actually wasn't a bad job. That actually turned out pretty good. I tried to, there was a crack here and I tried to weld it, but it ended up making it worse, so shit. This side's pretty good too. So they're not going anywhere. But bad news is that's not long enough. It's a nice bolt, but it's not long enough, so I'm gonna have to go get a 10-inch. Let's see, 8-inch, yeah, 10-inch will work. I could use that for something else. Okay, well, we're back. I had to take quite a trip to get this long bolt, but I am going to need a shitload of washers to hold this so it doesn't do that. Holy crap. Either a bunch of washers or some pipe or something. At least it spins nice. So I'm gonna leave this as it is now and start working on the engine because I got my parts in here. So I can put this back together now. Okay, well, I just got this off the snapper because I want to convert this to magnetron ignition because for one thing, this little plunger right here is like frozen up. It won't move at all. So I'm just going to discard the point system altogether. So where did the old coil go? Oh yeah, I brought the old coil inside. But I got to show you something really weird on the snapper. Okay, we're at the snapper now, and as you can see it does have a points cover and everything, but right where that thing is supposed to be right there, it's like blocked off. I don't understand what the heck's going on here. I mean, it's got all the screw holes and everything, but I mean, I guess it was professionally converted like years ago because that's a really old coil, but if that was the case, why would they go to the trouble of blocking that off there like that? I don't know what the heck that is, but I guess I can't put points on this thing. That is the gayest shit ever. I'm really pissed. Now I definitely need to get another magnetron coil, because I can't put points on this if it's going to be like that. So I don't know what the heck the deal is with this. No kind of cover on it or anything. It's just like it's not even there. Alright, another complication here. These won't fit through here. What the fuck? I'm really getting irritated now. Now I'm gonna have to drill these out somehow, I guess. It's like everything I try to do today is just like can't do it. Alright, well this project is becoming a total loss. Well, for one thing, these don't line up properly at all. So I guess not all brakes coils are standard, because this doesn't line up here at all. This is now fucked up. So I just fucked up the coil to the snapper. So now I have to get a new coil for the snapper. And even if I manage to get another coil for this, it's not guaranteed it's going to fit on this. So I don't think I can use this engine. So I am fucking pissed right now. I thought I'd be done with this project by now, but apparently not. So I'm probably gonna have to look for a new engine, because this is screwed up. This is made out of plastic right here, and I already screwed it up. And there's no use unlocking it. I'm gonna have to take the whole engine apart again to try to free it up, and I risk damaging it anyway. So I don't think I can use this engine. It's just totally fucked. Now I gotta get a new coil for the snapper too, because I think this is no good anymore. Fuck. Just wasted a whole day messing around with this, and I got no progress whatsoever. Fucking sucks. Alright, well, I'm gonna ignore this problem for now. Got the flywheel on. I got the recoil fixed. Sort of. I think the spring is kind of weak because I wanted it up as far as it could go. But it should serve its purpose. Got a new diaphragm in the carburetor. Here's the old one. I got some RTV sealant on that because the gasket was bad. Got that back on there. So this is all set to go. Just got to get a coil. I think Tom is going to send me a coil. He's got a couple, because I can't use the original coil, and I can't use the one from the snapper either, because that's not going to fit. So anyway, that's that. And then I got to get some spacers for this, because this is like floating around, so I got to get a spacer to go in there somehow, a piece of pipe or something. And that's about it. So we're about maybe halfway there. So once I get that fixed and I get this going, then we'll be on our road to completion. So until then, gotta get this engine running and get that fixed. Yeah, so anyway, there's the spring for the brake, clutch, everything, muffler. So I think we're all set for now. I can't do anything more today, really. I'm gonna go out tomorrow because I got tomorrow off. I'll try to take care of that because I can't really do anything with this till I get a coil. So I'll have to wait for that. So anyway, that's that. So thanks for watching, and we'll stay tuned for part 3 of this.